Most people think their life is falling apart because of bad luck, but the truth is far stranger. Sometimes your life doesn't break. Your energy does. You wake up exhausted even after sleeping. You feel lost even when nothing is wrong. You smile in front of people, yet something inside stays quiet, like a room with no air. What if I told you it's not your mind that's stuck, it's your chakras? And today, for the first time, you'll understand exactly which of your 7 chakras is blocked, how it affects your emotions, your relationships, your confidence, your money, and what you can do right now to unblock your energy and take your life back. This is not just a video. This is your reset button. Let's begin. Why your energy gets blocked. Before we dive into each chakra, there's something you must understand. Your body is not just flesh and bones. It's a map with 7 energy centers that decide how you think, how you feel, and how you live. When these energy points flow freely, you feel grounded, confident, loved, creative, expressive, intuitive, and connected. But when even one chakra is blocked, your life silently collapses, not outside first, but inside. Now let's explore all 7 chakras, their meanings and the real signs your energy is blocked, with a twist in every section, so you stay with me till the end. Root chakra. I don't feel safe anymore. You know your root chakra is blocked when life feels unstable. Not dramatically, not loudly, but quietly, like a chair missing one leg. Signs you're blocked. You overthink money. You fear losing people. You never feel settled, no matter where you are. Your mind jumps to worst-case scenarios. But here's the twist. It's not fear of losing things. It's fear of losing yourself. A blocked root chakra disconnects you from your body. That's why grounding feels impossible. That's why your mind never shuts up. What it does to your life, you become a prisoner of uncertainty. You chase stability, but nothing feels stable. Sacral chakra. Why don't I feel anything anymore? This chakra controls joy, creativity, relationships, and emotional flow. When blocked, your life becomes a muted movie, full of scenes but no feeling. Signs you're blocked. Low motivation, emotional numbness. Overthinking and underfeeling creativity disappears. Relationship connection becomes weak. The twist? Most people think they're lazy. But the truth is, your energy is frozen. This isn't a motivation problem. This is an energy drought. What it does to your life. You stop enjoying the things you once loved. You crave excitement, but feel too drained to seek it. Solar plexus chakra. I can't trust myself anymore. This chakra is your confidence, your identity, your personal power. When blocked, you shrink without noticing. Signs you're blocked. You doubt every decision, you apologize for everything, you fear judgment. You avoid risks, you feel invisible in your own life. Twist, your power isn't gone. It's trapped behind years of self-doubt you never asked for. This blockage often comes from childhood. One harsh comment, one embarrassment, one moment where someone made you feel less. What it does to your life, you become a shadow of yourself, alive, but not glowing. Heart chakra. I give love, but why can't I feel it? This is the chakra that breaks people without making a sound. Signs you're blocked. You love people who don't love you back. You forgive too easily or not at all. You push people away to avoid pain. You feel lonely even around others. Small things hurt you deeply. The twist? Your heart isn't closed. It's guarding itself. Not from the world, but from the memory of someone who once broke it. What it does to your life, you crave connection, but your energy refuses it. It's like wanting to breathe, with lungs full of old smoke. Throat chakra. Why can't I say what I feel? This chakra decides your voice, the voice you speak with and the voice you silence. Signs you're blocked. You say yes when you mean no. You hide your feelings, you fear arguments, you feel misunderstood, you feel unheard even when speaking. Twist? You're not quiet because you don't know what to say. You're quiet because you don't think anyone will listen. Your voice was not taken from you. You handed it over, piece by piece, every time you stayed silent to keep the peace. What it does to your life. You live inside your head but die a little every time someone talks over you. Third eye chakra. Why am I so confused? This chakra is your intuition, the inner compass that tells you what's true. When blocked, life feels like a foggy mirror. Signs you're blocked: confusion, difficulty making decisions, overthinking, feeling lost, lack of clarity, bad gut decisions. Twist: it's not that you don't have intuition, it's that you stopped trusting it. You were taught to trust logic, opinions, society, everything except your own inner voice. What it does to your life: you keep searching for answers outside because you stop believing they exist inside. Crown chakra. Why do I feel disconnected from life? This chakra connects you to the universe, to purpose, to meaning. When blocked, your life loses depth. Signs you're blocked: feeling empty, feeling spiritually lost. Life feels repetitive, no sense of purpose. You feel like something is missing. Twist: you're not disconnected from the universe. You're disconnected from yourself. The universe doesn't leave you. It waits, silently, patiently, until you're ready to hear it again. What it does to your life: you exist, but you don't feel alive. The moment of realization. This is why your energy is blocked. Here's the deepest twist of all. Your chakras don't get blocked because you're weak. They get blocked because you've been strong for too long. Every disappointment blocked your heart. Every fear blocked your root. Every lie blocked your throat. Every rejection blocked your sacral. Every mistake blocked your solar plexus. Every doubt blocked your third eye. Every heartbreak blocked your crown. Your energy didn't fail you. It protected you. Every blockage is a survival response. And today, we're releasing it. How to unblock each chakra, beginner-friendly. Root chakra, grounding. Walk barefoot, touch the earth, do deep breathing, reconnect with your body. Sacral chakra, flow dance, create, move freely, express emotions without judgment. Solar plexus, fire, set small goals, say affirmations, choose yourself even when it scares you. Heart chakra, release, forgive, not them, yourself. Throat chakra, truth, speak small truths daily. Let your voice return one sentence at a time. Third eye, intuition, meditate, journal. Listen to the quiet voice inside. It's your oldest teacher. Crown chakra, connection, detach from noise. Spend time with yourself. Let silence show you who you really are. Your energy isn't broken. It's waking up. If you've watched this far, your healing has already begun. Because awareness is the first unlock. Recognition is the first release. And choosing to understand your energy is choosing to understand your true self. You're not stuck. You're not broken. You're not late. You're simply unblocking the parts of you that you had to shut down to survive. And now, you're ready to live.